Do you think the only way to make money on YouTube is through ads? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you why you're wrong. I'm David Proud and I've been producing videos for businesses for over 7 years. Monetizing or adding ads on YouTube is a great way of making money, but there are a couple of markers that you need to hit before you can enable monetization. First, you need at least 1,000 subscribers to your channel. Secondly, you need over 4,000 hours of overall watch time in the last 12 months. So the best way to think of it is an added bonus as your channel reaches that level to make a little bit of extra money. Okay, on to other ways to monetize your videos on YouTube. There are 2 other ways which I'm not going to go into great detail because they're a bit harder to relate to business YouTube channels, but I'll give you a quick overview. The first is sponsorship, and this is basically where you feature another company's products in your video and they pay you for it. The second is affiliate marketing, and the gist of this is you'll have special links to certain online stores, and if your viewers then click those links and end up buying products on those stores, you're going to get a cut of it. The problem with both of these methods is you're sending people off of YouTube to other people's stores to buy other people's products, when really you want to be sending them to your own. Now, on to the big one, using your calls to action. So once you've started to build up a bit of trust with your audience, you can then send them off of YouTube to things like you could take them to your website to buy certain products, you could send them to your newsletter to start them in your sales funnel, or you could send them to a landing page if you're trying to sell them an online course. There's a lot of possibilities for this. All these links can be in the description below your video, and all you need to do in the video is tell people what you want them to do. So for example, you could say, click on the link below to join our mailing list and get 5% off of your first order. Or it could be, have you found this video really helpful, but you need that little bit extra? Click on the link in the description and find out about my online training course, which will take your business from X to X. So although there are a few ways to make money off of YouTube, by far the best one is guiding people towards your sales funnel so then you can start them on your customer journey. Are you still stuck for ideas about what to do for video content? Then get in touch by visiting my website, the link's in the description below, and we can set up a one-to-one brainstorming session. Make sure you subscribe to catch all my content, and I'll see you next week.